Hey, let's play follow the leader. You gotta do what I do, but don't fall in. There we go, I'm in the water again. Darn! Move those trucks. Oh, I lost my truck. Don't go in the river. Oh, my truck went in the river. Darn, how do I get it? Do you know if there's ice or snow there?
That should be dirt.
Should be dirt? Okay.
Maybe not. Maybe
Well, soon we're gonna find out. These are kind of waterproof, or
yeah,
will be. I hope they are.
It might. Yeah, that might be actually ice. I would go closer over that way as you can.
Well, if I go through, it's gonna be a good video.
Yeah, it's a little. Yeah, it's definitely water there.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah, water.
Got it. We got it. Need the air crane.
Air crane?
Yeah, Savorsky.
Problem is for me to get back up.
Savorsky.
Always be careful what you're doing.
Can't say we didn't warn you.
They're saying it can't be dangerous.
I said don't overshoot the hill.
Tumble! Darn. I tumbled down the hill. Need to learn how to drive. 2 tumbles. Oh, almost. Can he get it? Can he straighten me up? We don't know. 2 truck trying to push. Dogpile. Oh. That didn't help me at all. There's really no help. Move out of the way. There we go. Lock them dips. Oh, wrapped it around the tree. Yay! So I got a lot of roots and everything on my truck. But hey, still runs. On a patch of ice. Come on, you can do it. These are all stock with stock tires. Boink. That was a tree. Fun in the snow. Yee-hoo. Hey, let's play follow the leader. You gotta do what I do, but don't fall in. You gotta do what I do and go where I go. Follow the leader. Come all the way down here. And then you gotta go up. Okay, that didn't work out. Go up and turn. Go, 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 go. There we go. And then you gotta come here and go up here. Go. No, no. There we go. I'm in the water again. I'm in the water again. Do that. Darn. Yeah, I'm upside down this time. I hope there's a tree in the back of me, but I can't really put my foot in the water this time.
Hopefully it's waterproof.
I hope it's waterproof. No, I can't put my foot in water. Hold up. One day I'll learn how to drive.
Yeah. The ducks love that water though.
Don't do like me. Drive better. I would have got it. There we go. Good, good. Come on, son. Yes! Perfect! That is a fail. I had a lot of fails in this video. Woohoo! Oh! Good thing I was there, you would have went in the water. Oh, that's one way to take a tree out. Oh, one thing is, my summit is nice and clean now, except for a little bit of sand. You guys make a lot of noise. Okay, slow motion, here we go. Okay, slow motion, here we go. Go. If I don't hit the tree stump, I'll be good. Yeah, I know. Oh, one wheel fell in the water. Uh-oh, I think he's stuck. Oh, the ice just came out. Come on. Come on, little Summit. Get out of there. Come on, little Summit. You can do it. Come on. Oh no. That's it. He's all the way in now. You give up?
I concede.
You concede? There we go. Okay, we're trying for a river crossing here. Let's see. Let's see what, yeah, I got it on high. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh! It did come across, but I hit that friggin' branch. But if I go back now, I don't think I'll be able to come back up. Come on. That friggin' bridge. Oh darn. Time to rescue. Gets excited. Look at that. Things you collect in the wood. I collected a tree. Oh yeah, we get bigger ones than that?
Yeah, we got a lot of.
Oh, this is a nice area of the wood. The trees are very thick. Tree covers are very thick. So there's not a lot of snow. Lots of nice little trees, yay! Hope you guys are not sick yet. There we go. Darn, it didn't work. It's yeah. There is a lot of water in my tires, yes. There is a lot of water in those tires right now. So that trail that you see is with the diff unlocked. So when you turn, this is with the diff unlocked. So let's try this when the diffs are locked. The diffs. Let's try this when the diffs are actually locked. So right now the diffs are locked. That's how much difference of turning radius that you get when the diffs are locked. This is crazy. So when the diffs are unlocked, it turns way faster. Let's try that again. So I'm going to unlock the diffs in the front and rear. And then I can turn very sharp. Cool. Summit is a monster.
Do that in slow motion.
See, we're doing this in slow motion, but in real time. This is slow motion, real time. Slow motion, real time.
All right, reverse direction.
Reverse direction. Here we go. Ready on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're riding the summit. Riding the summit in the trail. Well, you guys, if you want to save some money, here's a quick idea. You can use a shower bonnet to protect from water or actually debris. But just be careful. When you put that on there, you will keep the heat in there because there is no holes. There is some little shower bonnets that do have perforation in it, but that's a good little idea to save some money and keep your truck nice and clean.
These are the El Cheapos. They don't hold the heat like some of the other ones do.
Okay.
So these ones are pretty good.
Cool. Good idea. Good
20,
tip.
20 of them for about $1.25.
Cool.
That's your tip of the day.
Yep, just changing batteries.
I learned that from Jason.
So when you get a big creek like this with a lot of water and very deep, this is how we cross a creek in style. You just use the nearest bridge. That's it. An EV bridge, yeah.